You tell me your story, she said, and I shall tell you mine. I will strive to be worthy of yours, and you be of mine. She has been a traveler forever. The mountains, rivers, forests, they wait for her to come sing amongst them to listen to her stories, as if they were here just to dance with her on the sounds of music.
पंछी बनूं उड़ती फिरूं मस्त गगन में आज मैं आजाद हूँ दुनिया के चमन में
Dancing angelically to the notes of the ancient music, she twisted the auras of time and space. Emerging like a reinvented muse, she engrossed herself into the air above her and flowers beneath. Her heart was like one purple flower growing from other yellow flower, growing from other pink flower. She always identified with the tiniest of blossoms.
फूल के हार फूल के गजरे शाम फूलों की रात फूलों की शाम फूलों की रात फूलों की
She's a book. It's easy to create a book on her just to use some words you know, with some you don't, some splendidly built sentences, some unfinished phrases, but must, are some foreign words, some moist letters, and frozen punctuations. Her moods, talks, expressions, and actions, each a chapter of a book. Only the few would read through, with the covers blank and the bookmark flown away by the wind. She knew what happens when you leave your hair open. Your soul, it hangs by those strings on the wind ready to set free. And that's when you find yourself loose in the vast open night sky. Under the moonlight, she tells the stories of the night to the trees, and the trees sing songs of the day to her. The winds then sway and take her stories to the bushes, birds, animals, and Ariel, her ardent companions.
चांदनी रातें चांदनी रातें अब जब सोए हम जागे तारों पे करे बातें चांदनी रातें ओ चांदनी रातें
She always thought that the perfect solution to chaos is a silent companion with a silent conversation and tea. She found refuge in the serenest of the environments. After all, she was but one component of the nature.
हम है राही प्यार के हमसे कुछ न बोलिए हम है राही प्यार के हमसे कुछ न बोलिए जो भी प्यार से मिला हम उसी के हो लिए हम उसी के हो लिए, जो भी प्यार से मिला हम उसी के हो लिए।
She's a flaneur, acknowledging each and every tea leaf. She delves in its brewing enigma. The depth of her heart finds peace in a fragrant solace of colors from the gentle tea leaves. Those are not just colors, they are the part of her soul, the emotions of her heart, the resonance of her mind, the passion unraveling from her aura. Each color is a different story she tells. She's afraid of adventure but fearless at the same time. She's unsure of the plans but confident at the same time. She's nothing yet everything at the same time. She's the philosopher of this life and the previous and the next one, all at once.
हस्ती तेरी विशाल हो, कुदरत का तू कमाल।
To reach the shores unknown, being a beacon for 1,000 others, as if she has been here since time unknown. She has ways which no one understands, yet here she walks on those together and with herself.
नाचे होके फिर की लट्टू, खोजे अपनी धूरी रे, मन कस्तूरी रे, जग दस्तूरी